All right, everyone, welcome to Trade Wave Tuesday. As always, what we try to do each and every Tuesday is we're showing how you can use something like TradeWave to build and manage a investment or swing trading type portfolio. We've been going now for, I don't know, maybe 2 months, and we are up about 7% on our portfolio. Where this started as $100,000, we're at 1066, so 6.6% in realized gains, a little bit in realized losses here. We have WTW, where we have a stop down here, and then we also have Crocs as well. So this is, again, what I expect. I expect a sub 50-50 win rate. However, I expect every now and then we're going to get something like JD, where we bought down here at 26, and by the time we sold out, it was around 40. So again, that's exactly what I expect. I don't expect anything else or anything crazy, is how it should work. When you're trend following, you're not going to be right very often because things don't trend very often. They look like they're going to break out and then they fail. And they look like they're going to break out and they fail. That's just the nature of it. What TradeWave will do is it will allow you to stay in that trend when it works, right? So that's the same with some other trend following systems I run. That's the same with most trend following systems that exist out there. You're not going to be right all the time, but as long as you have an ability to stick with the ones that are working, you'll be fine overall. So what I'm going to add to the portfolio on the open on Tuesday, I'm going to actually try to do these on Monday nights so that you guys can have them on Tuesday, is this SPR, so Spirit Aerosystems. Look at the long-term chart here. This thing has been really strong since $14 up to 33. TradeWave has actually been doing pretty good trading it as well. We had a nice short in through here, and that actually just flipped to a long right at this price right here. So what we do is we look to buy this on Tuesday's open, and my worst case stop is going to be right under here, but any significant close below the trade wave is going to be time to go. So we're going to do the same $20,000 position sizing for per each one, which means without margin, we can have 5 positions. If we want to go into margin, we could have 10. But what we're looking to do is we're looking to just get involved with this on Tuesday's open and then see what happens after that.